How can I check my UK visa status online?
Hello and welcome to this guide on how to check your UK visa status online. If you've applied for a visa and are waiting to know the status of your application, this guide will take you step by step through the online checking process. We'll make it as simple as possible, so you can quickly and easily find out the status of your visa.
What do you need to check your visa status?
Before we start, you need to make sure that you have the following details ready. Your unique case ID, also known as your reference number. This is an important piece of information that you would have received when you first applied for the visa. Your personal details. This includes your date of birth and your full name.
Where can you check your visa status?
The UK government doesn't provide a direct online portal for individuals to check their visa status. However, you can contact UK Visas and Immigration, UKVI, to find out the status of your visa. You can either send an email inquiry to the UKVI, use the online inquiry form provided by UKVI. Note, there may be a small fee associated with this service.
What to do when contacting UKVI?
When you contact UKVI, make sure you provide your full name, your date of birth, your unique case ID. Remember, the more accurate the details, the quicker and smoother the process will be.
Understanding your visa status.
Once you've submitted your inquiry, UKVI will respond with the status of your visa application. Here's what the statuses could mean. Pending. Your application is still under review. Issued. Your visa has been granted. Refused. Your application has been denied. Additional information required. You need to provide more documents or information. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to check your UK visa status online. Remember, the key to a smooth process is having all your relevant details on hand. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best of luck with your visa application.